Just a second. So, can you see my screen now?
Yes, Miss.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So let's start. We will be starting Mathematics of Finance today, which is chapter 6. So, since all of you are business student, I think these formulas are all familiar to you since probably you have done all this in finance. Even if not, if you have done your finance course yet, that's fine because we are starting from very basic, and and it should not be a problem. Okay, so let's start. We will go through the formulas at first. Simple interest, compound interest, then amortization and deposit account. Okay, so can you anyone tell me what's the difference between simple interest and compound interest?
So a interest is something that builds up in like in time.
Okay, and simple.
Yeah, it's just a fixed rate of interest.
Right. So, in simple interest, basically the interest is calculated only on the original principal amount. Okay. So, if you have 10% interest, it's increasing at a constant rate. Okay. This interest is same year every day, and it is increasing constantly, and it's only on the principal amount. But in case of uh, compound interest, which we mostly use in our life, compound interest is the interest, it's on the principal amount plus the interest you earn. So it increases, it's not constant always, it increases at exponential rate. Okay, so mostly আমরা যে maybe the house loan, the home loan, mortgage, then the car loan we take, all of these are mostly compound interest. Okay, so it's the interest on your principal amount plus the interest you have earned. Okay, so that's the difference between a simple interest and a compound interest. Now, we have two formulas for simple interest. One is interest amount is equals to your principal amount times percentage of interest into number of periods. Please take notes of these formulas. You will need it very soon. The second one is F is equals to P times 1 plus IN. So in here, F stands for future value, P stands for present value, and I is interest, and N is the number of period. Clear? Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So the next one here, the third formula, this is compound interest. So as I mentioned, in compound interest, your interest is being compounded. You have the interest both on your principal amount and also the interest you have earned. Okay, so the formula for compound interest is future value is equals to present value times 1 plus interest amount to the power n. Then the next formula is sinking fund payment deposit account. So we have two type of option in here. One is sinking and another is amortization. Sinking is basically deposit. Basically what we do, আমাদের DPS থাকে, right? So what we do is monthly we tend to deposit a certain amount, and after a certain period you get a certain amount, right? You get a payment. So that is deposit account. And loan ta hocche we take a certain amount And after taking them amount monthly, we keep on returning an amount. So that is basically amortization loan account. Clear? Is this one clear, everyone?
Nessa, could you explain again, please?
Acha, deposit account. Okay, please everyone. Before I tell this, mostly student gets confused of which formula to use, either to use deposit account or loan account. Okay, so deposit account is basically monthly you make a deposit. These are both annuity. Annuity money ki anyone knows what does annuity mean?
No, miss.
Annuity মানে হচ্ছে payments that are made in regular intervals. Okay, so আমি রেগুলারলি এই যে পেমেন্টটা করি বা পেমেন্টটা নেই। ওকে, সো ডিপোজিটটা হচ্ছে সাপোজ ডিপিএস, আমি কি করি ডিপিএস এ মান্থলি একটা ডিপোজিট করি, রাইট? সাপোজ 5,000 or suppose 10,000, and at the end of 5 years or 10 years you get a certain amount, right? So that is
Yes, miss.
deposit account, okay? And amortization is loan account. Loan টা কি? I take suppose আমি 5 লাখ টাকা লোন নিলাম। লোন নেওয়ার পর monthly I keep on returning 10,000 টাকা। So এটা কি হচ্ছে? আমি লোনটা নিয়ে নিলাম, monthly I give a payment, right? So that is loan payment. So the difference in the formula you see, uh, R is equals to future value times I by 1 plus I to the power n minus 1. And in terms of loan account, R is equals to P times I by 1 minus 1 plus I to the power minus n. এখানে কিন্তু এটা minus n.
Miss, what was the third formula?
Compound interest.
Thank you.
Okay, can we start the maths now if you're done with the formulas? Okay, so please turn to page 390 from your book. তাহসিন আক্তার
Yes, ma'am.
বই বের করেছেন?
Ma'am.
আচ্ছা, এক্সাম্পলটা আমরা করব। ক্যান ইউ রিড আউট দ্য এক্সাম্পল?
Ma'am, page নাম্বারটা একটু বলা যাবে?
প্রিন আন্টি।
Find the interest on 1,460 for 72 days at 10% interest using the exact method and B the
Okay.
ordinary
তো
method.
এখানে বলছে কি আমাকে I need to find the interest amount, right? Interest amount on 14,060, which is for 72 days and at 10% interest. So which formula should we use for this?
Formula of the simple
Ma'am,
interest.
Formula 1,
Right.
PIN.
So simple
Simple.
interest, right? So
Yeah.
P is equals to, sorry, I is equals to PIN, right? So we need to find the I. P টা কি এখানে? What's the value of P?
1460.
Right. Times, what's the value of I?
Ma'am, 72 by 365.
I. I এর কথা বলছি, I এর ভ্যালুটা কি?
0.1.
Oh, ma'am,
I
sorry,
হচ্ছে
0.1.
10%, right?
10%.
10%
Yes,
মানে 0.1
1.
times n টা কি হবে? It says about 72 days, but in a year, how many days do we have? 365 days, right? So it will be
Yes, ma'am.
72 by 365. So কত আসছে?
28.80.
Is this one clear, everyone?
Ma'am, can you repeat?
কোনটা রিপিট করব বলেন?
First থেকেই ইন্টারেস্টেডটা।
কি রিপিট করব সেটা বলেন। আপনি কতটুকু বুঝেছেন সেটা বলেন আগে।
আমি বুঝতে পারি নাই।
কোয়েশ্চেনটা আছে সামনে?
জি জি।
আচ্ছা, সো এখানে কি বলেছে? ইন্টারেস্ট অ্যামাউন্টটা বের করতে, রাইট? So we have the principal amount, which is 1460. We have the interest, which is 10%. 10% money, 0.1, right? And it is for 72 days. Okay, 72 days হলে আমাদের ইয়ারে থাকে 365 days. So the n will be, তাহলে আমরা তো 72 days এর জন্য বের করব. The interest is given for 365 days. So 72 by 365, and we find the interest.
ওকে।
Clear?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, is this one clear, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so please now turn to page 392. Adib, Abdur Rahman Adib.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you read out the exercise? Page 392.
392. Yes, ma'am. Uh, ma'am, is it example math?
Not example,
Jan
exercise.
received ma'am, is this one? Jan received 50 for diamond at pawn shop and a month later paid 53.50 to get the diamond back. Find a percent interest rate.
Okay, so what happened here? Jan received $50 for a diamond at a pawn shop, and a month later paid 53.5, right? So
Yes,
এখানে
ma'am.
present value কোনটা, future value কোনটা?
Uh,
Future is the fee 53.5 and present is 50. I
Right.
guess.
So he paid it back after 1 month. Just 1 month পরেই pay করে দিয়েছে. So the interest is given for interest you need to find, right? So n টা কি হবে এখানে তাহলে? What will be the n? n আমাদের ইয়ারে কত ইয়ার্স থাকে 12, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So if it is for 1 month, it will be 1 by 12, right? So which formula are we using in here?
Uh,
আদিব কোন নাম্বার ফর্মুলাটা আমরা এখানে ইউজ করছি?
ma'am, maybe we a bit confused, ma'am.
কেন
Ma'am, formula two.
সিম্পল
আই
ইন্টারেস্ট না
গেস
কম্পাউন্ড
সিম্পল
ইন্টারেস্ট?
ইন্টারেস্টের ফর্মুলা 2টা ইউজ করা হবে।
Anika, I'm asking Adib.
Yes, ma'am.
এটা কি সিম্পল ইন্টারেস্ট না কম্পাউন্ড ইন্টারেস্ট?
Ma'am, it's a compound interest.
Where is it given that it's a compound interest? Is it
Ma'am,
written anywhere?
no, ma'am, but it says after 12 months how many. I mean, what is the percentage rate? So, I guess it would be compound interest. I'm not sure.
Why? It is mentioned করা নেই যে it is compound interest.
Yes, ma'am.
Then why do you think it's compound interest? Compound math say when it is a compound interest, it will be mentioned that it is compounded annually or compounded quarterly. Okay. So
Okay,
if
ma'am.
it is not mentioned that it's compounded, then it will be simple
Simple
interest. Okay.
interest.
So since in here it's not mentioned whether if it is compound interest or simple, so it will be simple interest. Here,
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
so simple interest formula কি ছিল? Future value is equals to present value times 1 plus in. So future value, আমরা যদি এই ফর্মুলাটা এখানে লিখি, so to find the, you need to find r, right? So
Yes, ma'am.
future value কত?
Future value is
53.30.
50.
And what's the present value?
50.
50. So times 1 plus, you need to find the I, right? I,
Right.
n কত হবে?
12.
And 12 na, it says what? A month later.
0.0833.
Oh, yes.
Why
ma'am.
0.0833?
1 divided by 12. এরকম দিব না ম্যাম, 1 divided by 12
1
থাকবে।
divided by 12 হবে, right?
Right, because it is given within 1 month, right? So 1 by 12. So can we find the I from here? Aitaki, please try finding the I from here.
Yes, ma'am.
So what will we do? 53.5 divided by 50, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Minus 1 times 12. কত আসে?
Twelve point four.
কত আসছে? So what are we doing in here? 53.50 by 50, right?
Yes,
Equals
ma'am.
to তাহলে 1 plus I times 1/12 তাহলে 53.50 কত আসে বাই 50 কত আসে
1.07.
1.07 or 0.07
1.07, ma'am.
1.07 so if you minus 1 from here কত আসে
And 0.07 after subtracting -1.
0.07
Yes, ma'am.
times 12
0.84.
তাহলে how much will it be
0.84.
0.84 but if it is interest it will be
84%.
84%, right? Clear, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it clear? Okay, please now turn to page 408. Ashraful Alam Faisal,
Yes, ma'am.
can you please read out the question? The example 408, page 408, example.
Ma'am, right now I don't have the book. I'm in my hometown, ma'am.
বই নিয়ে যাননি কেন আপনি এতগুলো ক্লাস করবেন কিভাবে করবেন বই ছাড়া
ম্যাম আমি ঢাকাতে চলে আসবো। আমি মানে বুঝতে পারি নাই যে ম্যাম অফ করে দিবে। আমি তো আজকে চলে আসতাম কিন্তু বাসগুলো সব শাট ডাউন করা, তো এই জন্য আসতে পারতেছি না।
তাহলে এখন ম্যাথস গুলো কিভাবে বুঝছেন আপনি
ম্যাম আপনি যখন ম্যাথ গুলো করাইতেছেন আমি জাস্ট দেখতেছি সিম্পল ইন্টারেস্ট, কম্পাউন্ড ইন্টারেস্টের ম্যাথ গুলো।
Asaf Asan Asaf Asan Okay, one thing, if anyone doesn't respond while they're online in class, আমি minus করব attendance, okay? Because it's also difficult for me to take the online class and it's a maths course. I need to make sure that you are doing the maths, okay? Just বসে থাকলে হবে না. So if you're not responding, I will minus from your attendance mark. Farhan Ahmed.
Yes, miss.
আচ্ছা, page 408 এক্সাম্পলটা রিড আউট করেন
408. Uh, at what interest rate compound annually with a sum of money double in 10 years?
Acha. So what it is saying, at what interest rate compounded annually will sum up of a money double in 10 years? So you see, how can we tell that it's a compound maths? Because it's given, right? It's written that it is compounded, right? So compounded hole, which formula do we use?
Is I plus PNR.
Sorry?
I plus PNR. Oh, no, sorry.
কোন নাম্বার আমরা ইউজ করব?
3 number formula.
Huh? Which formula, which number formula are we going to use?
The third one, compound interest one.
Right, the third one, right? So the third one, right? Okay, So what do we need to find in here? এখানে বলছে যে whatever the amount is, it gets doubled in the future. So if I, since we don't know the amount, can we say that the amount is supposed, for example, x? Okay, so then in the future it is going to become double. So if it's double, then it is 2x, right? And in the present it is x. What do you need to find? You need to find the I. You need to find the interest. So 1 plus I, তাহলে n কি হবে? In how many years?
মিস আপনি ইকুয়াল সাইন দিয়েছেন।
10,
In how many years?
10,
10, right? So can we find I from here? এই x এর x টা কাটা চলে যায় না? Can we cut this 2x
ইয়েস
off?
মিস।
তাহলে কি হবে? 2 is equals to 1 plus I to the power 10, right? So এখন, in order to find this I, we need to get rid of this power 10, right?
ইয়েস
এই I
ম্যাম।
টা কি আমরা বের করতে পারবো? এটা ছাড়াও we need to get rid of this power 10, right?
ইয়েস ম্যাম।
Okay, so this power 10, how can we get rid of this? আমরা যদি both side, think about it, if we multiply 1 by 10 power in the both side, so can we cancel this 10 out? If we give 2 to the power 1 by 10 and also এখানে to the power 1 by 10, can we cancel this 10 out?
Yes, ma'am.
তাহলে কি হবে? 2 to the power 1 by 10, right? Is equals to 1 plus I. তাহলে I কত আসে এখন? What's the value of I? Farhan?
it's 0.071,
0.0
0.072.
002. How?
02. It's 2 divided by 1.
Power 1 by 10 minus 1 কত আসে? এখানে কি আছে? 2 to the power 1 by 10 minus 1 কত আসে?
যেরকম আমি শুরুতেই আসলে
ম্যাম 0.0717734 সামথিং।
Okay, so interest হলে আমরা এটা কি করব? Multiply by 100, right?
ইয়েস ম্যাম।
So multiply by 100 করলে কত আসে? I is equals to
7.17 না 18%।
18. Okay, clear? Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, page 409. Question number 9. Please try the question on your own at first. Noor Habib,
Yes, madam.
একটু রিড আউট করেন তো কোয়েশ্চেনটা।
How many years will it take at 7% compounded annually for 5,000 to amount to 20,000?
রাইট, সো এখানে কি বলছে, ইয়ার্স বের করতে হবে, তার মানে কি, হোয়াট ডু উই নিড টু ফাইন্ড n, রাইট? সো এখানে we have been given with the future value which is 20,000, present value is 5,000, I is 7%, and you need to find n. So which formula are we going to use in here? কোন ফর্মুলাটা ইউজ করব? Which number formula are we going to use in here to find the n?
ম্যাম কম্পাউন্ড ইন্টারেস্ট একটা
কয় নাম্বার এটা?
থার্ড ওয়ান
Third one, right? So this formula. Again, we are using this. Okay. So future value is how much? Future value টা কত?
20,000,
20,000. Present value
5,000,
times 1 plus I কত? 7%, right? I কত? 7%, right? So 0.07 to the power n is you need to find. So how can we find it now? n টা কিভাবে বের করা যায়? How can you find n? What should we do at first?
5,000 কে ডিভাইড করতে হবে না?
20,000 by 5,000, right?
হ্যাঁ,
তাহলে কি আসে? 4, right? Times 1 plus 0.07 to the power n. So এখন 4 is equals to 1 plus 0.07 to the power n, right? So এখন n টা বের করার জন্য what can we do? আগেরটা কি করেছিলাম? In order to get rid of this power, we multiplied 1 by 10, but এখানে তো we need to have this n. So what can we do?
ম্যাম লগ ইউজ করব?
Right. So আমরা both side এ log e নিতে পারি বা ln ও নিতে পারি, okay? So ln 4, both side we will take ln, okay? Ln 4 is equals to ln 1 plus 0.07 কি হয়? 1.0.7, right? To the power n. তাহলে n টা কি আমরা সামনে নিয়ে আসতে পারি?
Yes, ma'am.
According to the rule of ln, can we bring the n at front? So n is equals to ln 4 by ln 1.07. তাহলে n কি আসে? What's the value of n?
20.48.
20.48. Okay. Is it clear, everyone?
49.
Sorry?
20.49.
9. আচ্ছা। Clear এটা? Okay, since no one is answering, I'm assuming it's clear. So next maths we will do is page 409, question number 13. Sheikh Wasif, can you read out the question? Page আগের পেজই, question number 13. আপনি এতক্ষণ কোন পেজ থেকে ম্যাথস করছেন? 408 না 409? Question number 13. জি। Okay, so what do we need to find in here?
ফিউচার ভ্যালু।
Yes, future value বের করতে হবে, right? So future, which formula are we going to use? কোন ফর্মুলাটা ইউজ করব?
The fourth one,
Why the fourth one?
because এখানে ডিপোজিট লেখা আছে।
ডিপোজিট লেখা থাকলেই তো হবে না। ডিপোজিট কি লেখা আছে? ডিপোজিট of 5,000 for 6 years. So this is not a continuous deposit, right? This is one time deposit. তাই না? যখন annuity হবে, continuously deposit হবে, like for every month, every year, তখন we use that, right? But this is what? Only one time deposit. So in that case, which formula are we going to use? কোন নাম্বার ফর্মুলাটা ইউজ করব? Same
Compound
formula,
interest.
right? একই ফর্মুলা তো, নাম্বার 3 টা, right? So এখানে আমাদের বের করতে হবে কি ফিউচার ভ্যালু, রাইট? সো প্রেজেন্ট ভ্যালু কত? What's the present
5000।
value? 5,000, right? Times 1 plus I কত? What is I given?
5.25%, বা এটা হবে
হ্যাঁ,
0।
5.25%, but it is what? Compounded daily. Daily যদি কম্পাউন্ড করা হয় তাহলে আমার ইয়ারে কত ডেজ আছে?
365।
65, right? So I need to divide it by 365 because it is being compounded daily. So I need to separately যদি I টা বের করি, suppose in here I is equals to interest কত? 5.25, right? So 0.0525 divided by 365 কত আসে? কত আসছে?
Zero point zero 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 143.
0.000
143.
143. Okay.
8.
And what will be 148?
1438.
38. Okay. So what will be n? n কি হবে এখানে? For how many years did it tell? 6
6
years, right? 6, but it is compounded daily. So daily যদি compound করা হয়, how many days? 365, right? Year 365 days, it is being compounded daily, right? So how many years? For how many years? 6 years. তাহলে কত আসে n? n টা কত আসছে?
2190.
2190. Okay, so এখানে then I will be 0.000143 to the power 2190. তাহলে কত আসছে?
Ma'am, 6,850.60. 61.
6,850.
0.61.
50.61. Okay, is it clear? Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so if these are clear, আজকে আর continue করবো না. Next class we will do the deposit and amortization maths. But you have few homeworks. Page 409, question number 10. Please take notes. Page 409, question number 10. Page 409, question number 10. Page 409, question number 10, 11, 12, and 14. 10, 11, 12, 14. Sorry?
This is homework.
Sorry?
This is
ও বলতে চাচ্ছে এটা কি হোমওয়ার্ক?
জি জি, homework.
Could you please repeat it again?
Yes, page 409, question number 10, 11, 12, and 14. 10, 11, 12, and 14. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So thank you. We are done for today. Next class, we will do the deposit and amortization maths. But a few announcement. আচ্ছা, next class এই দিব, শেষ করে নি। ঠিক
ম্যাম
আছে।
অন লেট অ্যাটেন্ডেন্স ম্যাম।
ম্যাম অ্যাটেন্ডেন্স
Ma'am,
বলেছি
attendance
online
সবাইকে
class
দিয়ে দিয়েছে।
everyone attendance, okay? Online class I don't take any attendance.
থ্যাংক ইউ ম্যাম।
ঠিক আছে
Okay,
ম্যাম।
thank you.